Hi everyone. Today I will show you some beautiful white flowering plants that will enhance the beauty of your garden. This flower is a very fragrant wild flower. Although it looks similar to Ixora, the structure of leaves and flowers is slightly different from Ixora flower. This flower is known as white Ixora. Although it is a wild plant, many people now plant this flowering plant in their gardens. It's Plumeria flower. This flower bloom all year round, easily grow from cutting. You can grow this flowering plant in a container on the roof or balcony. This flower has many names: night flowering jasmine, harsinger, coral jasmine, Parijat, shiuli. The fragrance of this flower is very beautiful. The flowers bloom at night and fall in the morning. This plant can also grow in containers. The name of this flower is Crepe Jasmine. Flowers almost all year round except winter. Easily propagate by cuttings. This tree is also found in forests. This flower is called Indian jasmine. This flower has many other names. It's a creeping evergreen shrub. Most flowers bloom in winter, spring, and summer.